Sergio,
Tsunami when I'm all set.
What?
I already know what I'm gonna title this video.
What are you gonna title it?
Trying to have fun in a shit game.
Death.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Warm up.
But
Dude,
you
gonna
can't
get
post that on YouTube. You can't post that on YouTube. The algorithm fix it. Nobody watches it. Oh my god, I'm cracked. I
Win.
just killed crack.
Show me where to go.
You ain't shit.
And
Fight. Stay
be
safe.
above me and say that.
I'm already 3.
It's very close because they're so thin and shit. Like, it gets me
They're so
scared.
petite.
Oh god, bro. Like,
They're just
What's
like me,
petite,
bro.
bro? I don't know.
how you gonna spam with that vandal and get me?
Well,
Bro, why am I lagging?
There you go, Marcos.
Really, fuck you.
Sorry, I heard the op and I knew it was you.
You're an asshole. I mean, Keone's also using an op.
yeah.
Yeah, but it's different. I could tell your op shots from his.
Damn, it's called shit.
Bro, calling me.
Night night.
No? Because yours, you hear it right after a kill. Marcos is his peace.
I'm not
Well,
offing.
you know what? You're a bitch.
No. Oh.
Oh
Hey,
man.
look behind. Should've stopped.
Cook.
Oh, that be fucking
Bro's not cooking.
I'm a feminist. Watch me cook.
Well,
No.
oh,
The game is butt, man.
Hey man,
Oh,
I'm
Mark.
getting better.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm still shit.
Then where are we going into?
No, I'm not in order. It's gonna be like telling me that.
Oh.
Oh my god, I'll just play with my wiener then.
I guess I gotta.
Absolutely
with
W content. W content, man.
That's what I'm
You said-
saying.
You said black version or what?
white.
That goes hard if you really
Black.
think about it.
Yeah, black.
But I have to for the.
Alright, then you know what? Fuck us, bro. Fuck us. Fuck us from the side.
No,
Since
no,
you're not.
I
You asked for our opinion. Just say no. You know, just lay me on my side. Pull down my pants and just fuck me. Since that's really what you're doing anyway.
Dang.
But guys, think about it. I'm gonna be playing as Jet. Jet is white. And my
I can
ghost
do whatever
is
you
white.
want.
Dude, fuck you. I was just asking for your opinion. Damn.
It's the NyQuil. It got me acting.
No, look here, I will get black. I'll just. Sorry,
Damn.
guys. I was watching porn around this time.
Alright, bro.
Dude, I kind of want the VCT lock /in.
I
Whatever.
kinda
it's
want
called.
you. So, are we starting up a game or what?
Well, I don't know if Sayed's ready.
I'm ready, dude. I've been ready. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, dude, get ready. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm sorry, but I had to do something. All right.
Wow. I'm gonna fuck the shit out of you. Hurry up. This time, this mine are gonna have to be removed. Possibly, probably.
Dude, at this point, we might as well just do a full duelist team. You know what I mean? Fuck it.
That's what.
Oh yeah, that's
Hey, yo, pick Reyna. Pick Reyna.
Because
If you
there's
don't pick Reyna, it means you don't like your mom. Think about it. Now he has to pick Reyna.
Nothing is gonna die.
Don't worry, the way how we push onto site is with splashes.
Literally. Like I throw my wall, ISO puts his wall, UTP in, Jet dashes in.
Oh my goodness.
Easy. See?
I am back.
I'm
Oh my
back.
hurt.
I'm in a range.
Reyna.
Reyna.
Full duelist.
Reyna.
Yeah, boy.
This is stupid.
So big. Oh, which one is Bremen? Which one is Breach?
Breach is the guy with the ponytail that you could pull on, while Brim is the guy with the gray and brown beard.
The one you can pull on is
Place
crazy.
is nice.
What?
Look at my, look at my gun.
Yeah.
Gun here.
Oh man.
Pick it up. Take it out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
How much this cost?
I don't know.
$15
$1.
bucks.
What? It doesn't look any
I was gonna
different.
flash, but alright.
One mid.
Block
Not
sight.
good.
It does. It's the black market. Makes it look like a commodity.
Focusing.
Why?
Oh my
Got you,
god. I'm
gang.
so fucking shit at this game. Fuck it.
On my mark, there's somebody there.
Spike
I
down
had
mid.
Spike. What the fuck? Oh wait, I picked it.
You had Spike? They're mad because I crouched on him.
Oh, but it come on you? What? Ported.
Type into the enemy team. They're like my girl,
Hating in enough.
but they're like my girlfriend. I have to give
One
them
enemy
entertainment.
remaining.
Cheating ass nigga.
On who?
That's
On
bro.
me.
Get him, big. Wait.
What? Oh, he's right here.
Hey, Boathouse.
One enemy remaining.
Good shit.
No longer Boathouse. Okay.
Last
Oh, dude, I forgot we were switching.
FF.
Yes.
FF.
Oh no! Fuck. Okay.
attackers win.
We just typing in chat. I mean, you can do a duelist and I'll just be Gecko. You know what I mean?
No, bro. No, bro.
We
No.
can my smokes.
Play close.
No, because we already got a smoker.
Oh,
Shut
my
up, bitch.
goodness. You know,
I'm not saying what the fuck to do.
I'm gonna fuck
Dad?
that, man.
Not playing close for the moment because I've been too dependent on her. Or them.
Hey,
them.
Shut the fuck up.
They shut your bitch.
Shut your ass up, bro. You smell like dick cheese.
I'm dead.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. I don't
Spike
know
down
where
A.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Enemy down.
Nice. Smoke? You
Love
need
was
smoke?
mid.
Outside.
Last player standing.
Alright, I got
Spike
change again.
planted.
One, 4, 8. He was 2 HP away from dying.
Try to tap, like go like. Yeah, because you're like, you aim in, and then. No bueno.
You know what, man? You're right.
Cause I think with their with their neon, they're just really good at taking sight.
Yeah, and they have ISO.
Fuck that nigga. We have
Well,
ISO
all of them.
as fuck. Well, we got ISO, but still, like.
He's.
Not even ESO, bro. We got so-so.
You guys fucking suck dick, man. Leave me alone.
Facts.
Oh my god, I'm getting
Marcus, you need to
mad.
stop blinking, dude.
So I got my two.
One enemy
I
remaining.
got my one.
Last player standing.
Oh my, and we got ISO here doing God knows what.
Literally, always come in flank. Well, then start playing with the team.
That looks it.
Dude, tap. Oh my, go for it. Pull out your knife, pull out your knife, pull out your knife, pull out your knife. Right now, no.
Here.
Oh my
Not yet.
god.
Sorry, y'all.
Sorry.
It went to go reload, hide behind a wall as if there was still people alive.
Switching
They
sides.
be alive.
Shopping. Oh,
I hate to say it, but probably best to play as a team.
All I gotta say is somehow, bro. Somehow this guy's gonna find a way to go flank just to get on site. I'm over here, bro. Right now,
Why?
just wasted on.
Can't.
Defenders win.
Yeah, fuck smokes. He's stressing.
This is so stupid.
Yeah, cause we got a fucking bum ass ISO.
Okay, fuck this game, man. That's enough.
It's not enough. We need more.
Nah, run it back.
On God. With your mentality, how are you gonna be a fucking
Start.
YouTuber,
Shut the
dude?
fuck
How
up,
are you gonna be
loser.
a fucking
Shut the
YouTuber?
fuck up. Fuck you.
If I'm
You're right. I fucking suck.
Hey, fucking bitch. Straight fucking bitch. You ain't making no contact, dude. Your viewers are gonna be like, "When's the next video? When's the next video?" You're gonna be, "I don't know. I have a thumb on my butt." It's like, come on, man.
Oh my goodness.
That's
Okay.
it.
You know what, man? You're right. I recorded all of that. I'm keeping that in the footage. I'm
Alright,
keeping
good thing. Hey, keep this in footage. Hawk. Do it. Spit on that thing.
Oh my god.
Alright, I queued up, guys. You guys ready?
No, shut up, bitch.
Hey, guys, have you watched the Talk to It podcast at all?
But no, bro.
I gotta stop
That shit makes me
recording.
so mad, bro. Cause how the fuck do you get famous off of just that, dude? Like, is she?
Dude, yeah, no, because look.
She has to be, bro.
I got
Listen.
personal.
Here's the incredible skins on Fortnite now.
Oh yeah, I did Miss Incredible. Look,
There's incredible skins?
yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Incredible, Elastigirl, and Frozone.
I'm gonna whip my freaking cock out and smack it on my computer.
My heart be hurting. Fuck, I forgot to reply. Oh my god. Wait, did I? Oh yeah, no, I didn't. Damn.
Fuck, it's only 11:24.
He's got other niggas.
Hey, man.
Like,
Think about it like this.
oh, bro.
You're a whore. You're a cheater. You know, you've been cheating on me.
But it's okay when I do it. It's not okay when they do it, dude.
Dude, you're so much shit.
Yo, what the fuck? Dude, okay, look. What the fuck?
What? I'm just saying it. I'm just saying, man.
You're the shit, bitch. Think about it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bitch.
but you're the shit. Does not add up to you're so much shit.
Hey,
No,
come on, buddy.
You ain't with shit.
No, I ain't shit. I call for shit, man. I hate this shit, but like I ain't shit. You know how girls that be like cheating on their niggas be like, man, I ain't shit. Like I ain't shit. But that's cause yeah. That's just cause I'm like,
What the hell happened?
I am the shit. They dodge.
So they dodged, so now we're playing Icebox because they like to put dick in their butt.
Oh my god, I spot.
Fuck. Could've kept on shooting.
78 Harbor.
They're on site, Marcos. Hold shift when you use that. There you go, buddy.
I know, man.
Right there.
One enemy remaining.
Why?
Spike down A.
Rena's probably.
Marcos was freaking out with these shots.
Listen, man. I was on the shit,
Yeah.
right?
And also, don't fuck from playing.
Okay, where we going, guys? Where we going, guys? Come on, guys. Tell me where we're going, guys.
Alright, stay on site A.
You said A, not sexy.
Get ready. They're coming back.
I'm flipping that shit.
Last player standing.
Fuck.
Oh my god. That ain't close.
You're close.
Get your ass out.
Fuck.
Defenders win.
That was embarrassing.
That was
Shut up! I can say that. What the fuck?
No, because I was spraying. And then I was like, hey, you, and you're like,
Like your
Wanted to
mom is
cry.
crazy.
This girl texting me. She's
Dude,
like, "Hi, sorry,
I
I
have
was telling my mom."
95 average combat score.
Cap.
I might as well give up.
Yeah.
I'm level 19 now, bro.
Bro, come on.
alright, one more.
Yo, this description for Sage is low-key, but a hellish battlefield. Man, the only
Bro,
thing that's hell
what?
here is all these
Care
jet
about
mains.
those. Why do you care about all that shit, bro? It's like,
Because, bro, like I said, bro,
Be
the only
Battle
thing that's
Sage,
hellish
Battle Sage.
is all the E-kittens you got right here. You're a jet main. You
bro,
got all them
okay,
E-kittens
look, I
right
don't
here,
have E kittens, bro.
That's
I got
alright.
E bitches, alright?
You don't see him going in lobbies like meow for me.
Oh god, bro. I'm like, I just tell him,
Just
like,
like
call
doing
me
that.
daddy, bro.
You should do that.
Alright,
Type
bro.
that's all.
Alright.
You should
God,
type
wait.
Together, friends.
Say who's your
We can do
bitch.
Anything. We can
Wait,
save
what'd you
the
say?
world.
Meow for me? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Watch. 1, 2, 3.
I give bets that Sky's gonna do it.
1, 2.
He's not with the book.
See, this. Who needs enemies when you got friends like Marcos? You feel?
Reloading.
One enemy remaining.
Good shit. Good
They
shit.
were not good enough.
Defuse spike.
Reloading.
Shut your ass
You
up.
still get a reset button.
No, give me your give me your.
Alright,
Alright, bro.
Search dip just like that. Like,
Yeah.
damn well he did not. Oh, damn well he did not fall asleep that quick.
Damn, I'm about to cry.
He's cheating. He's cheating on a nigga for real.
Or maybe his mommy came in.
God damn it. Sorry, guys.
There we go. There he is.
He throws off that perk hit a little hard, too heavy. Shut up! I thought I thought the door was opening. I thought the door was opening. I thought the door was opening. Fuck! Sorry.
Oh my god, it would be so much better if you just like got close to your mic. That would be so funny. But you fucking suck.
My mic is like on my mouth, bruh.
Doesn't
Your
have
mic
as
sucks.
many day-to-day benefits as you think.
It's up his volume.
He's at 200%, bro. Almost watching it.
I don't know.
Bro, I'm talking
Yeah,
to the whole.
When I drop me bomb,
get,
you know, I am a person supposed to use my utilities to get
You
bomb.
wanna ask me instead of being a fucking bitch? Shut up.
Fail.
I'm not going with Sergio. Don't follow.
Bro, who the fuck is that? Oh my god, Sage.
Joke's over! You're dead!
He's right next to you.
Last player standing.
Spike.
Spike down A.
Yeah, fuck me, right? Fuck me.
A.
Fuck me, right? I'm gonna say the hard R, bro. I'm so close to saying it.
Ingat, don't get stabbed. Bad way to
Wait.
go.
Dude, I have not got a kill yet. This is sad.
Dude, I thought Daddy was back. Come on, like,
I thought so too. I thought the actual players were gonna come in clutch, but
fuck.
I didn't know we were going against the fucking Avengers, right? Give me back to the bomb.
Take this.
One enemy remaining.
That was embarrassing.
I know.
Why don't you just kill yourself, nigga? Hey. Sorry.
Alright, man.
Oh god, she does.
No, bro. I see all this. I might as well go kill myself right now. Peace out.
Oh my gosh, stop bitching, bro. Go buy your gun already.
I already have a gun. I don't have money.
Get a revive.
Go, go, go.
No, the nigga picks my shit up, but
Last
doesn't
round
revive
before the
me.
switch.
This is who needs enemies when you got a homie like Marcos? Like, it's cool, bro. It's cool. I hate me too, my nigga. I hate me too.
Yeah, I hate you too.
Bro, drop the fucking ball. Oh my god, bro. It's like dealing with a fucking toddler. I'm going.
My God.
It's okay, you got.
Anything about that is okay. The real shit.
Now he got sky ulted stunned. You can see everybody up there. I see one behind him. I kill
Stop
myself.
looking at me
Stop looking at me.
right now.
Sage, look at Sage. Look left.
Guys, lock in. Marcos, come on, lock in, bro. No time to fuck around. This is serious business.
Can we surrender now?
No. Because after 3 matches, we're gonna lose. Can somebody pick that Vandal up? God. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sorry.
You
Only
could keep
brought enough
it.
for me.
Aww. Aw, you're so
Yeah,
cute.
okay. I think he might
Oh,
want
there's-
to.
Attack him.
Alright.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Yes, sir.
Jazz, nigga, what's up? Fuck, yo, I'm gonna get sent to TikTok realm. Fuck.
Just let them try.
Stop, nigga. Bro, you're ruining our good vibes, alright? Fuck, we're gonna lose now. We're so gonna lose.
No, we've been losing.
Gotta go.
Is this
Worth
nigga?
Reloading.
Can I get a heal sage?
One enemy remaining.
Fucking dead, you dumbass.
Shut up, dumb fuck, nigga. Fuck. Yeah, somewhere, I don't fucking know. Can I get a heal, please? Oh my god.
Here.
Watch out here.
Wall raised.
I'm sorry, I'm done. Coming in. Bro, why are you following me and making noise? Don't shoot that, please. Yeah, I just took advantage of you.
No peeking.
What? What?
Let
Yeah.
them try to get through me.
It'd be like that sometimes. I'm sorry.
Alright, bro.
Don't wall off. Just wait for them to push.
Hey.
Just playing bomb.
Yeah. Can I get
Wall?
yo Sage, please, bro?
I think
Guys, don't go from there. Let me get heal. Let me get heal.
For you.
Thank you.
I got Sky.
For sure.
Or not, never mind.
Reloading. No enemy spotted A.
You're just running across Sage.
Perfect, that is. That's the spot we keep.
Barrier created.
3.
Joke's over! You're dead!
Spike down A. Last player standing.
Forgot he went to B.
Damn, yo, Loki, Alex.
Attackers win.
I ain't gonna lie.
Hi.
Neon main? Neon main?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, but no, you gotta get used to the movements, bro. I haven't seen you jump around like excessively enough.
You're right.
Yo, why did I get wait, it said we issued another player and
That was me.
It was like an update.
It
bro.
was towards me because I was AFK.
Oh. No, it said for abusing chat,
Yeah.
Oh, it was
text chat. That was me,
Oh,
cause
nice.
I told the guy I was like,
Guys,
I'm a
guys,
buff, fuck you.
guys.
Uh,
This game fucking
what?
sucks.
Hey, you just suck.